Well, the whole idea of the structure that I'm trying to get built here was first necessity. Last spring, I looked out the window and the deck was starting to sag a little bit. So then I calculated how many years it had been there. Like I say, about 32, 33 years. And I knew it was time to replace it. So I started in with a design. And of course, like many projects, the design grew a little bit. Ended up with that covered portion, which I thought would be nice because I have a west-facing deck on the back of the house, so I figured a little bit of covering would be good for it. I do like to sit out on the deck. I enjoy a deck, and I look forward to getting this done. And I told people that even if it's finished in the first blizzard, I'm going to be out there in a hammock enjoying it. So I really look forward to this.
So what can I do for you? What are you looking for from us?
Well, I think you know from taking a quick look that I've got a real replacement need. The old deck is just literally collapsing.
Okay.
And so that's the first order of business, is replacing it.
All right, so you need a new deck. What do you want to use on your new, what are you going to use your new deck for?
Well, what I really want to do is just hang out there and relax.
Okay.
I also think that maybe I want to add a covered area to it. Now that would be a total new addition to what I have.
All right, so you want to add a covered structure in addition to the deck?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
More of like a pavilion or a pergola, or?
I think a pavilion is what I really would prefer. There'll be people coming over at different times, and so that's a factor. But the principal factor is just to relax back there.
All right, I just got done speaking with Bob about his project, and I think we've got a pretty good idea of where we're going to start, and we're excited to see what we can come up with.
We have a design manager that comes out on site. They get the drawings, they measure it up on site to bring it back to the shop. We then have our architects are able to put it into our 3D program. And once they get it up, they're able to find out if there's any defects in the drawings, make sure everything's going to work out properly, the dimensions-wise, and also give a color 3D rendering for the homeowner or the client to approve. Once it's approved, then we're able to convert these into shop drawings, and from here, then it goes out to our manufacturing facility.
All right, we finished with Bob's design, and we're ready to get started. Hey Jared, how's it going?
Oh, hey Brian. How you doing, man?
Good.
Guess what? I'm glad you stopped by. I'll show you this.
All right.
City says that all of our joists have to be treated, and the stair risers. and
Okay.
everything out there isn't. So we're gonna need to get some, and as soon as possible.
Okay. All right. When do you need that? What's the time frame?
Probably as soon as you can. Today would be best. I bet
Okay.
we could get some of it up today.
I'll make some phone calls and get that resolved as soon as possible.
All right, cool, man.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, so the lumber company sent us some regular 2x10 rafters. They actually need to be treated, so we loaded it up on the trailer. We're gonna bring it down and get it swapped out and bring some treated up tomorrow morning.
Let's start with the feelings. Yes! I am so pleased. It's pretty incredible. I found working with Western Timber Frame was a good experience. They managed to bring to life what I had in mind, what I wanted to have accomplished. Early on, when they first showed up and started working, I stuck my head out the laundry room door over here and I looked out and I saw the timbers and I just said, oh yeah, this is going to work great. And it did. I'm very happy. It went smoothly for the most part. You know, there's always little bumps, but no big bumps, and I'm quite satisfied with the way everything went. I am happy.